If you're seeing the Steam_API64.Dll not found error, don't panic. This is a very common Steam issue, and in most cases it's caused by your antivirus quarantining the file, a damaged game install, or missing Windows components. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. And if it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Let's start with the most common fix first, checking your antivirus quarantine. A lot of antivirus programs and even Windows security can falsely flag Steam_API64.Dll as a threat, especially after a game update. To check this, open Windows security or your antivirus program, then go to Protection History, Quarantine, or Threat History. Look carefully for Steam_API64.Dll in the list. If you find it, restore the file right away. After restoring it, add an exclusion so your antivirus doesn't delete it again the next time the game launches. This step alone fixes the issue for many users because the file isn't actually missing. It was just removed by security software. If the file is not in quarantine, the next thing you should do is verify the integrity of the game files through Steam. This is one of the best built-in repair tools Steam offers. Open your Steam library, then right-click the game that's giving you the error. Click Properties, then go to Installed Files. From there, select Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the game installation, compare it to the official version, and automatically re-download any missing or corrupted files, including Steam_API64.Dll if needed. This is especially useful if the file was accidentally deleted or got corrupted during an update. Now, if you're getting the error in multiple games or several Steam games are failing to launch, the issue may be with your Steam library folder itself. In that case, you should repair the Steam library folder. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Storage. Select the drive where your games are installed. Next, click the three dots menu and choose Repair Folder. This can fix folder permission problems, broken install paths, and other storage-related issues that may be preventing Steam from accessing the DLL properly. Another very important fix is installing or repairing the Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Many Steam games rely on these Windows runtime files, and if they're missing or damaged, DLL errors can happen. Go to the official Microsoft website and download the latest Visual C++ Redistributable X64 version. If you already have it installed, run the installer again and choose Repair if that option appears. In many cases, repairing the 2015 to 2022 Redistributable is enough to solve the problem without reinstalling the entire game. If you've gone through all of these steps and the error still appears, restart your PC and launch Steam as administrator. Also, make sure your game and Steam client are fully updated. Sometimes a simple restart clears out file locks or permission issues that were preventing the DLL from loading correctly. So to recap, the best way to fix Steam_API64.Dll not found is to first check your antivirus quarantine, then verify the game files, repair the Steam library folder if needed, and finally install or repair the Visual C++ Redistributables. These steps cover the most common causes and usually get your game working again fast. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more quick fixes for Steam errors and PC game troubleshooting. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.